People will assess him, his narrative, his objectives, and to what end he helps and to what end he serves. Everything will get clear. He's yet to come out. Let's wait until the person comes out. We'll assess everything and we'll respond to your question.
Does his conference again, as we have seen in the previous Lok Sabha elections?
It surprised us and me only because he has not been released. He has been released on bail, and that too during elections. That's a bit of surprise. We expected him to be released soon after elections, as the North Kashmir expected.
Impact the national conference?
National Conference has its own agenda. National Conference has its own fight, own narrative. If Engineer Rashid and his party, comes along and fights against the might of BJP, against the onslaught that we have faced, and fights back, pushes back without any compromises on any name or for any purpose, it should be an addition to the fight. It's not a challenge. That should be an addition. That would be an addition to the challenge that we have at the moment. I'm concentrated on National Conference and its performance. Rest all the political parties, most of them, have exposed themselves. It's not us saying that they have been working for and with BJP. It's them who have been working with BJP. Many of them were part of BJP and PDP alliance, and some of them were, part of ministries from the quota of BJP. That's not us. That's them. Proving that they were part of BJP and allies of BJP. Other political party which has its own symbol which relates to sports has openly said that they want to work. It's their pride. It's a matter of pride for them to work with BJP. So it's not us tagging them. It's not us naming them. It's them who have been working and serving the purpose of BJP and aligning with them. तब ये बताया गया था कि उनके वोट लोगों के वोट से उनके जेल की चाबी जो ताला है वो खुलेगा. वो लहर एक सिंपैथी थी. वो लहर एक पर्पस नहीं था. वो एक नेशनल पर्पस नहीं था. जम्मू कश्मीर के अवाम का पर्पस नहीं था. एक सिंपैथी थी. एक प्रिजनर के साथ सिंपैथी थी. आई रेस्पेक्ट दैट सिंपैथी. नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस एज अ पर्पस. जम्मू कश्मीर नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस इज आउट देयर फॉर अ पर्पस. हमारी जंग किसी एक प्रिजनर के रिलीज के लिए नहीं है. हमारी जंग जो है